I won't move it. Yes, I left.
What do you think?
I hope nobody has this left.
It's huge. Can you see over the box?
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn your camera on, you bet.
Okay, so everyone, look at this. This is so cool. That's the boat Dad was talking about. Oh, look at that boat.
The Traxxas Spartan, the new rock and roll painted. Hey, Paradox, we're filming me filming. Whoa! Learning how to take over the show for Dad. So, what do you think?
Good.
I think we should take the cellophane off, like all the plastic wrap, and see what's inside the box, yeah?
Yeah, maybe it's that view code on the side.
Yeah, of course it's the one that's on the side. It's this beautiful boat. It's the new release.
Yeah, I know it is.
All right. Here we go. We can barely see over the box.
I cannot.
Here, pull it up yet. Pull the cellophane off. Keep going. Nice job.
That's a long distance. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Hi.
All right. You're gonna drive him nuts. Buddy, look at this. Here, point the camera right at it. What do you think?
Good.
Take it out of the plastic.
Yeah. Certainly, everyone. Yeah, certainly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's what I'm thinking, Mo.
Yeah?
Red trailer underneath. Yeah?
What are you thinking about, Maurice? I'm thinking about, this. So I'm thinking about, we should carry that on the trailer for, so everyone could go on a boat ride. Look at that, this.
Wow.
Let's see how it looks, Dad.
There you go, pal. Right up on the Cormier trailer. What do you think, man?
Good, but look how beautiful it looks.
Yeah, they did a really good job on the colors.
I bet there's a door in there somewhere.
There is. There's a hatch right here. There's a pin at the back, just like the other Spartan. And then you slide it off and you can see, here's the top.
Yeah, if you stop, then everyone goes in like that, then put it back on, right?
Yes, this is where the batteries will go. Here, let's have a look on the inside.
Yeah, let's have a look at the inside. Wow! I just can't wait to try it out.
Okay, remove the lid. You want to take the lid of the boat off.
And of this?
Yeah, slide it back. Perfect. Now right inside there are two little pieces right here. Here and there. We're going to need two wrenches. Do you remember these wrenches right here?
Yeah, can I help do that?
Of course. You can put one wrench.
I'll put this one.
Sure. Well, they need to be side by side. Yeah, and so where you're going for is right here. One on that side. Let Dad move that for you. There you go.
This
and
one?
then, yeah, you can. Dad'll hold this and get the other one. Doctor, get the other wrench. Thank you. And I want you to put the wrench in front of the wrench you just put in there. So there's another piece right in front. There you go. Try to turn it and it'll kind of click. There you go. That's right. So this is going to take quite a bit of strength. So maybe Dad should just try to do this, okay? So I'm just twisting these. And what this is going to do is remove the collar or release the collar. You need some plastic gloves?
Yeah, so I don't get this on me.
Correct.
So that's why I want these gloves.
Right. They're a little bit on the big side for you. I'll try to pull it on. There you go. Okay, Dad also needs gloves. So we're just going to lay it out. Just like you said, like we're doctors. We're going to extract the prop shaft. Now this actually looks like it's already been greased very well at the factory.
Yeah, it does.
On the other hand,
I'm the fixer.
Yeah.
That's gonna get all that, okay?
Okay, so we're gonna add some more anyway, right? We shouldn't mind too much grease. Besides, the udder butter will be known to stay on there just a tad bit longer. And right at the top here, yeah, just add a dollop of grease right there.
This?
Yeah, use 2 hands if you have to. Yeah. Push, 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 push. That's right. It's the force that will push the grease out. There you go. Good job. That's good. Yeah, right there. Try some over here. Push, 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 push. There you go. Perfect job. Yeah, put it right on the shaft there.
Wait a second. This doesn't get it on the fingers.
That is exactly why you wore the gloves, okay? Here, Dad will just use a little bit more grease there, young fella. All the way down, giving it a gentle line like that.
Oh, that's a long line.
Yeah, that's more, hey?
That's like a huge snake.
Yeah, it is like a huge snake, that's right.
Yeah.
Gonna load this in, and then just kind of turn it, making sure to get a lot of that grease, pulling it in and out, making sure the grease goes into the area it needs to, making sure everything's moving freely, greased up properly, and we're done. And normally how I take my glove off is with my wrist, and I pull my whole glove and fingers through it so I don't have any grease on the outside. So you pulled it by your finger off, and let me see your other one. Normally I would have just grabbed it by the wrist and kind of pulled it inside out, because then that way when you're handling it you don't have any grease on the outside of your gloves, right?
Yeah, and is there any grease on my hands?
No grease on your hands at all?
That's why I wanted to wear the gloves.
That's absolutely correct. Yeah, right in the front slot. And then there's a back hatch hole right here with the pin, and the pin actually slides in sideways. There, thank you for helping me with that maintenance. Come on, doesn't the Cormier trailer looks amazing. The Spartan, of course, always like one of my favorite speedboats of all times. Comes with all the aluminum on the back already, and this boat, obviously being a 6S boat, is very, very fast on the water. What are you doing? What are you looking for?
I just want to show you how it looks like. Remember that card you were looking at? This.
Whoa, let me focus on it. Stay still, stay still. There's Cormier RC. You can check him out on Facebook right there.
Yeah, that's kind of look like that boat, but you have to put that on, but
yeah,
it doesn't look like the same.
That's right.
Different color.
That's right. I think that we should use the Bronco to pull this trailer and the boat, right?
And like your Bronco or mine?
Yeah, no, the black Bronco. That's right. We could tow it down to a beach and maybe do a boat run. Would that be fun?
Yeah, maybe we can take like 2 boats or something.
Of course. I want you to learn how to drive this too. We'll get you driving it on a slow battery first, and then like maybe next year we can ramp you up a little bit. But this is pretty advanced. Yeah. Hey, listen.
Look at that. Let's see here it was.
Tell me, can you lift up that trailer by yourself?
Watch this.
Nice, eh? Is it heavy?
No, it isn't.
No, it's not. It's very light. It's made of wood.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You lucky duck.
I am a lucky duck.
By the way, why do we have this here?
These actually help secure the boat, so when you're pulling the boat around, it doesn't slide around.
This?
Exactly. That's right. But if it's tied on, then it won't slide off the back. Optimus has towed this trailer before.
Optimus?
Of course, yes.
You mean that big thing over there? That's Optimus?
Optimus up there? Yeah. Indeed, yes. He did pull this trailer.
But can you learn me how to drive Optimus or Bumblebee?
Yes, he's a little... Bumblebee you can drive easily.
But how about Optimus?
Yeah, well, of course, Optimus runs on a different kind of controller that you're not used to. A little bit more practice and a little bit more age and you'll be Optimus ready. What about Spartan ready? This boat. Do you think you're ready to operate this boat?
Yes! I am. You little goody.
You're a crazy kid. Hey, I love the boat. I'm looking forward to taking the boat out with you and we can practice on 4-cell. Yeah.
Get out your RCs.
Yeah.
And get like a trailer to get your boat. Then get a truck. Then get a trailer. Then you got to do it all on a video.
Perfect. Share it with everybody. See you next time. Give me a high five. Thanks for your help.
Have a big Aussies adventures.